Welcome students, the second class of science and lesson 2 nutrition in animals, and you have learnt about the types of nutrition in plants in previous class. Okay, now we study about nutrition in animals. Just like plants, animals depend on plant or other animals for food. Different types of animals have different food habits and ways of eating food. Okay, all animals including human beings need food for their growth and survival. The food that animals eat contains complex substances that cannot be used by the body to get energy. Thus, it has to be broken down into simpler substances so that the body can absorb the nutrients in it. Not all of the food we eat is digested and absorbed. Some part of it is excreted from the body as waste. Okay? Then let us learn how different animals take in the digest food. Okay? Then we start about nutrition in amoeba. Okay, do you know amoeba is a unicellular organism? Okay, amoeba is a single celled organism. It is an aquatic organism that feed on microscopic organisms found in water. When amoeba senses food in its surrounding, it start moving in that direction with the help of finger like projection of the body called pseudopodia. Okay, the word pseudopodia is formed from two words, first pseudo and second podia. Pseudo means false and the word podia means feet. The false feet surround the food particles and engulf it with a drop of water. Okay, here the food with a drop of water forms a food vacuole. Okay, you can see here food vacuole. Okay, in figure number 3, food vacuole. The vacuole stores the food taken in. Some digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole where the food is digested. The digested food is absorbed from the vacuole into the body. The vacuole with the undigested food then moves towards the edge of the body and bursts open to throw out the waste. This process of removing waste from the body is called egestion. Okay, here in figure number 4, egestion of the waste. Okay, now we start nutrition in hydra. Okay, hydra lives in freshwater habitats. It has long flexible tentacles present around its mouth. Okay, these tentacles have a special cells called stinging cells. The tentacles encircle the prey, which are usually a small organism present in water, and releases the stinging cells. Okay, these cells paralyzes the prey, which is then swallowed through the mouth. Okay, the food is digested inside the central body cavity with the help of digestive juices secreted by the walls of the cavity. The undigested food is thrown out via the mouth. The digested food is absorbed into the cell that around the central body cavity. Okay. Next, for extra knowledge, an ant feeds on ants, termites, and other insects. Its tongue can reach 2 feet in length, but has a width of only half an inch, approx 13 mm. The interior can cover its tongue in sticky saliva, allowing it to tap ants. It can extend it withdraw it up to 150 times per minute. It uses its tongue to collect the eggs, larvae and adult insects. Using the long sharp claws on its forelimbs, it opens up insects' clonage in tree trunks. Okay, now we study about nutrition in human beings. Okay, nutrition in human beings is a complex process that involves that working together of different organs and organ system. There are 5 steps involved in nutrition in animals, including human beings. Okay. First process is ingestion. The process of nutrition starts with the intake of food through the mouth. The process of taking in food by an organism is called ingestion. Okay. Second is digestion. The ingested food is swallowed and enters the alimentary canal. Digestion is the mechanical and chemical breakdown of food into simple soluble substances. And third process, absorption. The digested food is then taken up by the circulatory stream and carried to the cells of the body. This process is called absorption. And fourth process is assimilation. Okay, the absorbed food is used by the body to generate energy. Okay, generate energy and for growth. This energy is used to carry out various activities inside the body and to repair the worn out tissues. And last, fifth process is digestion. The undigested food is a waste product and it is removed from the body is the last stage by a process called digestion. Okay, means there are 5 steps involved in nutrition in animals including human beings. Okay students, now we study about ingestion in detail. Okay, then we start what is ingestion and the process involved in ingestion. Okay, for ingestion, ingestion of food occurs through the mouth and teeth and tongue help in ingesting food. Okay, for ingesting food, teeth and tongue help us. Teeth, what is teeth and how do they help in ingestion? Food is chewed with the help of teeth. Teeth break down the food into smaller pieces to make it easier to digest. This process is known as mechanical digestion of the food. Okay, food is chewed with the help of teeth. Teeth break down the food into smaller particles to make it easier to digest. This process is known as the mechanical digestion of the food. All teeth have a white crown and a strong root embedded in the jaw. There are 4 types of teeth. Okay. Here the first type of teeth. These teeth are found in front of the mouth and are sharp, shaped like a chisels for cutting and biting food. There are a total of 8 incisors. Okay, and second type is here. Second types. They are sharp teeth found next to the incisors. Canines are sharp and have pointed ends, which help to tear and precise the food. There are total of 4 types, or there are number in 4. Okay, total number in 4. One on either side of the incisors. And next type is premolar. Okay, and last type is molar. There are another 2 types, premolar and molar. These are broad, flat structured teeth used for crushing the food particles. There are a total of 8 premolars. And molars are found at the back of the jaw. They have broad and flat surface and strong roots. Molars are used for grading and chewing the food particles. There are a total of 12 molars. Okay. Then these are 4 types of teeth. The appearance of the first tooth in infants is called teething. Okay, the appearance of the first tooth in infants is called teething. Infants starts teething when they are about 4 to 7 months old. The first set of 20 teeth formed is called temporary teeth or milk teeth. At 6 years of age, the temporary teeth start falling off gradually, making way for the permanent set of teeth. Okay. An adult human being has a set of 32 teeth. The upper and lower jaws in the mouth have 16 teeth each. There are 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars, and 6 molars in each jaw. Okay. For extra knowledge, we know about some problem in teeth. The yellowing of teeth commonly observed in many people is due to the formation of dental plaque. Dental plaque is formed when the food particles stuck in the teeth mix with bacteria. The sugar from all the sweets, chocolates and other food is used up by the bacteria to form acids which affect the teeth. These cause tooth decay and leads to the formation of a hole called tooth cavity. The only way to avoid a tooth cavity is to brush your teeth twice a day and floss regularly. Okay, students? Next, we study about tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ. It helps in mixing the chewed food with saliva and then swallowing it. It has taste buds that detect different tastes present in the food. Taste buds are located around the small structures on the upper surface of the tongue called papillae. These structures are responsible for detecting different tastes like salty, sour, bitter and sweet. Okay. Then in next class we studied about digestion. Okay, we will study about digestion in human beings and digestion in animals in detail. Okay, thank you.